Available Super Cruise is a hands-free driver assistance feature for compatible highways. To use, activate Adaptive Cruise Control. The Adaptive Cruise Control symbol will illuminate in white on the instrument cluster. If the system is already set, the symbol will be green with a speed shown. Press the Super Cruise button to engage, and then center yourself in the lane. When both the Super Cruise symbol and light bar illuminate in green, and it is safe to do so, you may remove your hands from the steering wheel. Request a lane change with Lane Change on Demand by verifying a lane is clear, initiating the turn signal in the direction of the desired lane change, and then returning the stalk to the neutral position after the lane change is complete. Take over steering, and the light bar will pulsate blue. Return to automatic steering by positioning the vehicle in the center of the lane and holding the steering wheel steady until the green indicators appear. If the light bar flashes red, immediately take over steering control. The Super Cruise symbol in the instrument cluster will also turn red, along with a message in the center screen, an audible chime, or safety alert seat vibrations, depending on setting preferences. If able to do so, take control of the vehicle and continue driving. Fail to take over steering, an Escalade will audibly tell you to take control of the vehicle.
Take control of the vehicle now.
Brake to a stop in the lane you're currently driving in, or place an ONSTAR emergency call and initiate the brake lamps and hazard warning lights. For more information, refer to the owner's manual or the Super Cruise webpage.